Welcome back everyone, Mariah here, and in today's video we're going to be going over the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and DOT. So it is Sunday, January 17th, and it is 1:33 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. So if you watched my video yesterday, there was this key level of support that I really didn't want Bitcoin to break. And overnight, it actually did break that price, but in this video, I'm gonna be explaining why I am still bullish on Bitcoin and how everything else is looking, Ethereum and DOT as well. So let's go ahead, when in doubt, zoom out. And I think that the longer time frames really tell a better story of what exactly is going on here. So what we're seeing right now is a lot of sideways trading in Bitcoin. It's ranging between $35,000, $37,000. It's trading sideways. And what happens when Bitcoin trades sideways is that all the money is pouring over into altcoins. We saw DOT hit, was it at least $20 or right around $20 yesterday? Link surpassed $20. Altcoins were on fire yesterday. So expect that when Bitcoin trades sideways, usually that means a lot of money is coming out of Bitcoin and going over into altcoins. So on the BTC daily chart here, we still see that this moving average is still holding up the price of Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 12-hour. So I think it was either the 4-hour or the hourly chart where there was a key level of support that if that broke, I was going to start getting a little bit nervous. But on the 12-hour chart, we're probably going to be making a higher low. So I would be more concerned if we're breaking like the 30,000 range, then we're probably definitely going down to 25. But I think we're still doing okay. The 12-hour chart still looks pretty good. And it was a 4-hour chart that's not looking quite as good. And it was this right here. So I was concerned that if we broke below the low of this candle, which was, let's see, 34,298, and this candle did. It went down to 33,850. So overall, the 4-hour chart is looking a bit on the bearish side, but like I said, when in doubt, zoom out. The hourly chart is also in a downtrend as well. We could see here that we made a lower low. Over here, we made a lower high. And so the hourly really isn't looking all that good. It's more of the 12-hour that's looking a lot more bullish at this time. So the 30-minute chart is looking interesting. So this might be a signal here that the 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour might be converting over and seeing some more bullish action. A higher low here and a higher high here. So it'll be interesting to watch this 30-minute. I think the 30-minute is going to give us a lot of direction in the short term. The 15-minute chart also looking good. So what we're seeing, this trend right here, is the lower time frames and the higher time frames are both showing bullish action. It's the mid time frames that are showing us more bearish action. So yeah, 5-minute is looking good. And it's always fun to look at the 1-minute. The 1-minute is actually in a downtrend, but it's being held up nicely by this moving average right here. I still think that Bitcoin is on track. Let's go back to the 12-hour. I still think that Bitcoin is on track to hitting new all-time highs this month. So I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin. I'm staying in my current positions. I'm comfortable with where they're at. Let's go and take a look at Ethereum, which, I mean, first let's look at the Ethereum BTC chart, which is looking really, really good. Let's go and look at the daily. And I am still very pleased with my decision to convert to trade 3 Bitcoin last week and the week before, 3 Bitcoin to Ethereum. I have gained 0.3 of a Bitcoin on that trade. So I am absolutely looking forward to that. I think it's important to take these opportunities. I see, Bitcoin is a long-term gain, but any opportunity I have to add more to my Bitcoin position, I'll take it. And that's why I went ahead and took on that trade. And also because, I think it's important to keep an eye out for Ethereum. I think it's going to have, explode in the next month or two, potentially even sooner. And, people always talk about the potential of Ethereum market cap taking over Bitcoin. So I think it's always important to, hedge your bet and to be in on that action. That's kind of how I am. When I hear information from multiple sources, then it's like, okay, I should take note, and I will always remember not taking action. And I will regret that choice. So at least having a little bit of skin in the game. Let's see. So yeah, no, the 12 hours looking good on Ethereum BTC. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours looking nice. I think we're probably going to see a little bit of a pullback to the 0.03306 range and then probably head back up. Hourly is consolidating a bit, which is bullish in my opinion. We might be seeing, like I said, this 30-minute is signaling a pullback that I saw on the 4 hour chart. Let's take a look at DOT. So let's see, DOT's all-time high yesterday was $19.40, and I actually watched it, and I was considering selling like a portion and then buying back lower, but I was like, gosh, it's just on fire. I think I'm just gonna let my DOT sit. I mean, it would have been a really good trade actually, but I just wasn't in the mental capacity to be watching my computer all day. And that's the thing, is when you take on these trades, you have to be 100% attentive to what you're doing and to be making the next move. And that's why I was just not in the mood to give all my attention and focus here. I just kind of wanted to enjoy my Saturday, and that's why I didn't get into that. So let's go ahead and look at the daily chart. There's still like 4 more days of upside on the DOT chart, so that's looking really, really good. I might add to my position with this pullback though in the $16, $17 range. We're probably gonna see some pullback here on the 12 hour. So I still think that we could pull back to like $12 to $13. That's absolutely a possibility. Let's see here, the 4 hour chart is looking nice. A nice healthy pullback there. We could see, you know, even 15, setting some buy orders between $15 and $16 wouldn't be a bad idea. The hourly chart isn't really giving us a ton of information. And the 30-minute, yeah, 30 minutes looking a bit choppy, but like I said, there's more clarity on the 4 hour. Let's go and take a look at the 5 minute on DOT. A little bit it's in a downtrend, I would say. So there is going to be a good opportunity to pick up some DOT for some probably more upside. Because like I said, look at that daily chart. I mean, we still got like 4 more days of upside. So that is exciting there. So that's what I'm doing there. If you are a Gemini user, make sure every time there's an opportunity to be on the wait list for any of these other features, you might as well just click join the wait list, because even if you want to use that product or not, you might as well just join the wait list so that, you know, if you are in the position, once the opportunity comes, you have a better place in line. And I'm talking about the Gemini credit card, to where you can earn free crypto when using that credit card. So make sure you join the wait list. If you are not on Gemini yet, I'll go and put a link down below. If you use my link and spend $100, then you will get $10 of free Bitcoin. And so will I. And that'll be a great way for both of us to benefit and for you to support my channel so I can continue making these videos. So that is all I have for you today. As always, go out there and create a life that you love. And if you want some free stocks from Robinhood and WeBull, I'll also have those links down below. Make sure you exhaust all options and get as much free crypto and stocks as you can. Go out there and create a portfolio that you love.